Hello viewers, today in this video I will unbox Redmi 10 Prime 2022 edition. The main highlighting features are mentioned at the back. You will get 90Hz Full HD Plus adaptive refresh rate display with 50 megapixel quad camera setup. Then you will get MediaTek Helio G88 processors along with 6000 mAh battery. This is a 464 GB version. Now let's cut the seal and see what else is there inside the box of Redmi 10 Prime 2002 edition. This device is exclusive with Amazon.in. You can buy this at a price point of. On opening the lid of the smartphone box, you can find a paper box inside this. After that, you will get the device itself. This is Redmi 10 Prime 2022 edition. Let's keep it aside. Then inside the box you can find the charger and cable. The charger is type A to type C and the quality of the charger seems to be very good. This is a sturdy charger and you can fast charge your device in quick time. This is a 22.5 watt charger. Though the display supports only 18 watt of charger, company has provided 22.5 watt charger. That's a good thing. Inside the paper box you will find the SIM ejection tool, some documentation and TPU soft case. The soft case looks very good. The quality of the TPU soft case seems to be very good. It looks very sturdy. Now let's jump to the smartphone. Unwrapping the smartphone you will find prison black color Redmi 10 Prime 2022 edition. It feels very good in the hand. The camera layout looks like a flagship smartphone. There is a quad camera setup at the back. I will talk about it later. At the right there is power button and fingerprint scanner with volume rocker. At the bottom you will find Type-C port, speaker grill and a mouthpiece. Towards the left you will find the SIM tray. The SIM tray is up. On the top of the device you will find 3.5 mm jack, speaker, IR blaster and secondary noise cancellation mic. At the front you will get a 6.5 inches LCD display with 16 megapixel of front facing camera. Let's boot the device and see what else is inside this smartphone. After initial boot up, you can see the display of this device looks impressive. Considering the price point of the device, the display looks very good and it is a 90Hz display, so you can feel the smoothness and the snappiness inside this. The 10 Prime comes with typical MI camera layout. You can see the clarity of the smartphone is very good. The back camera seems to do a good job. Now going to the settings, you will find that this device runs on MIUI. Now let's go to settings and see. This device runs on MIUI version 12.5.9 and after initial boot up 19.5 GB of internal storage is pre-occupied by the system. I have not installed any kind of apps. This is the first storage version that you will get after installing or booting your device. Now I will give you an idea about the brightness level of this device. The brightness of this device seems to be very bright and it can be very low also. As it is an LCD display, it will be very lenient to your eyes, and as it is a 90Hz display, you will enjoy using this display. After initial setup, I can see that this smartphone is replete with lots of junkware. inside this smartphone, which you can uninstall. Now let me put the case and give you an idea how the case fits into the body of this smartphone of Redmi Prime 2022 edition. The case seems to be very solid and it also gives a protection of dust when there is no charging in the phone. As you can see, though it looks little bit bulky, but it will give a good gripping and also a good protection to your smartphone. This device comes with stereo speakers and the stereo speakers are very loud and clear, though the bass is on the lower side. Let me give you a sample so that you can judge by yourself how is the quality of this smartphone through the stereo speakers. Coming to the display quality, I will play some HDR videos on YouTube and let me give you an idea. If you tilt the device, then also you will not notice any kind of color shifting, but you cannot expect much from a device like this as it is a budget oriented device and it doesn't come with AMOLED display. So little bit of color distortion is expected from this device. Though considering the price point, the display seems to be very good according to my preference. Back camera of this device reproduces some good pictures in daylight. I have given some sample shots so that you can have an idea about the quality of the smartphone. I hope you have enjoyed this video very much. If you have enjoyed this video, please like this video, share this video and subscribe to the channel for more such interesting videos. I will be posting the full review of this smartphone after few days, and if you have any question regarding this smartphone, please let me know in the comment sections below. Thanks for watching this video.